I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Affirm wallet is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Launch the Affirm app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your wallet settings. Step 2. Navigate to Wallets. Once you're in the app, look for the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it to access your wallet settings. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. In the Wallet section, find and select the option that says Add Credit Card. This will open a new screen for entering your card details. Step 4. Enter card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Save your changes. After entering your card details, tap the Save button to add the card to your Affirm wallet. You should see a confirmation message once it is successfully added. Now you're all set. If you follow these steps, you should have your credit card added to your Affirm wallet in no time. If you run into any issues, just double check your card details for accuracy. Happy shopping!